Hey guys, what's up? This is Jordan Crook with TechCrunch, and we are here at day one of Disrupt in San Francisco 2012. We're here in the Startup Alley, so we're just going to take a look at some of the companies and get started. So let's see what we got going on over here. Hey, I'm with TechCrunch. What's your name?
My name is Balinteros. I'm from AppFlow.
What does AppFlow do?
AppFlow is crowdsourcing app discovery, basically.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
AppFlow is a very visual app discovery tool. If you can just come here, I can show you. Basically, on AppFlow, users can create lists of apps, and then other users can browse this. So for instance, if I check out designer Debbie, she's a user who loves great design apps. Then she collects these apps in a list that users can browse very visually. They can just open up the app and just browse through and see the screenshots. And whenever you find one you like, you can tap on it and see the details. And inside of the details, you can also see what other lists contain this application. So this allows you, like, this app is in pixel perfection design. This allows you to browse really infinite deep and discover an app you never really heard before.
Sounds cool. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's move on. Let's see what's going on over here. Hey, how are you?
Doing great.
What's your company and what's your name?
So my name's Matt Hendrickson, and our company is defy, and we build a social recruiting platform that helps companies connect with future talent.
So how do you do that exactly?
Well, so if you imagine LinkedIn, Facebook, and Monster, but all rolled together into one solution, like a mini social network, and delivered under the brand of that company. So large companies, when they want to engage with future talent, they now have a pool, a social network where their hiring managers and recruiters can engage socially with their future talent. I think in the future, it's going to be more about building relationships with talent over time. So you need a talent pool, you need that engagement, and that's what we provide as a solution.
How are you going to make money?
Well, we sell to large enterprises who want to build talent pools for the future. So
all right. Any pricing structure?
Well, we're a cloud-based SaaS solution, so we charge an annual service fee once per year for the service. And customization and integration, obviously, is a little bit more.
Awesome, cool. Thanks for talking to us. All right, let's move on. Let's see what's going on. Hey, what's up? What do you do?
We are a company that has a platform that allows consumers to connect with the brands that build the products that they love.
What's the company called?
It is called Bot.
Bot.
B-A-W-T-E, right. It is now available out in the App Store or App Store, as well as the Google Play, if you have an Android platform.
So it's mostly consumer facing?
It is consumer facing, but it also benefits brands. The idea is to connect the consumer who purchases an item with the brand who actually bought that item.
Sounds cool. How are you guys going to make money?
I'll let my partner share that.
What's your name?
My name's John.
And how will you make money?
We will make money by making that connection between consumers and brands and tying the actual purchase back to a brand and allowing the brand to understand the consumer over the life of that interaction with that brand.
Are you excited to be here?
Very excited. Are you excited to interview?
I'm excited to have you.
That's awesome. We're excited to be here. Thanks for having us.
All right, cool. Thanks for talking.
All right, thanks a lot.
Let's see what else has got going on here. I want to come see this startup right here because it says boutique and that sounds like booty. Hi.
Hi.
Are you with this company?
I am, yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Gavin.
Gavin. And what does your company do?
Our name is Boutique. We're a new marketplace site, so we actually offer basically online retailers a place where they can sell and promote their products with none of the usual fees that are associated with marketplaces that are out there, you know, the bigger ones like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, those kind of things.
So no fees. How else do you differentiate?
Well, we also have sort of a affiliate marketing ecosystem sort of built right into the marketplace where sources can come in and promote their products that they're already selling online, and any other users like you or me could go in and create our own storefront and fill that with products from any of our various sources. So, and then those people would kind of create or get a small commission on any of those sales. So like bloggers, people that are really active in social media would probably be interested in, you know, creating their own storefronts and making a little bit of commission on the traffic that they already have.
So if there are no fees, how are you going to make money?
That's something that we were, you know, kind of working on as we go along. Obviously, like advertising, you know, once we get a significant amount of traffic. Also, we're thinking about offering individualized like marketing campaigns for some of our sources. You know, we have a lot of ideas bouncing around, but the thing that really differentiates us that we really want to keep solid is no fees for sources to come in and promote their products.
Very cool. Thanks for talking to us. All right, let's move on. We've got some more time left. Ooh, this is interesting. Komodo, did I say it right?
Komodo, that's correct, yeah.
So what does Komodo do?
We basically facilitate all team sports players and their teams to connect with the families and the friends and new fans. And we do that by both enabling some kind of live broadcasting. So if you're a dad and you cannot attend the match, you're feeling really guilty sitting at the office, you can actually follow along on your iPhone. We're doing an Android version as well. So every time your son scores, he scored, you get a notification. You can also follow along on Facebook and stuff like that.
Wait, so how do you broadcast? Like, clearly it's a mobile app, right?
Yeah, it's a mobile app.
So if I'm playing in a volleyball game or whatever, and my dad can't see it, do I just set up my iPhone? How is the broadcast happening?
Well, there's an app for like entering the metrics. So you enter like who scores and who gets a red card and stuff like that. And then like we crowdsource all the pictures and all the videos. So like all the attendances at the game, all the spectators, if they have a video or a photo of the goal, they can attach that later or during the game and comment and all that stuff.
So, but you'd have to have, like, my mom would have to be in the crowd to, like, put in my metric.
It could be like the coach, it could be one on the bench or one of the parents, correct, yeah.
Very cool. And is it free?
It is free, yeah. And
Awesome.
like, you want to know the business model?
Yeah.
Because, of course, it's free, so we have to make money somehow, right? Yeah. Like one of the big pains of being a coach and having a team is to raise money for new gear and trips and stuff like that. So we're basically facilitating, we're doing like a Kickstarter meets Twitter for sports. So we're helping them raise money, we take a cut of that. Very nice.
Awesome. Well, it sounds pretty cool. I'll see you later. Thanks. All right, we got time for about one more, I think. So let's go find one more company. Dragonfly. Hi, what do you guys do?
We connect local freelancers with local design agencies and startups.
Like a social network type thing?
Not quite, more like a directory or a marketplace. The big difference is these are people that come into your business, they come in with their laptops and they do work for you. Rather than somebody that's overseas, a bit harder to communicate with someone that's overseas, whereas these people, they're sitting right there, you can just go over and talk to them.
So how exactly are you going to make some money off of this?
We charge the startup or design agencies per week, per freelancer that they use.
Are you from Australia?
I'm actually from New Zealand, but I live in Australia.
I always get it wrong. All right, well, thanks for talking to us. I decided we have time for one more. Even though my guy is telling me we only have 30 seconds, I'm going to squeeze in one more. Hi, can you talk to us?
Sure, absolutely.
What does your company do?
It's Innovation Nation. We provide a marketplace for ideas, inventions, and innovations. So if a regular person has an idea and innovation, then they can place it in our market, and businesses like Oracle, who we just talked to, sits on the other side, and they can make and purchase those ideas.
Wow, so it's kind of like Kickstarter, but you're actually marketing, instead of to the general public, you're marketing to big companies that can actually fund these things.
Well, and not just fund, they outright buy. And so one of the things that makes us completely different than Kickstarter is that we're not crowdsourcing. We think that some of the problems that could exist with crowdsourcing is what we've seen of late with some litigation that seems to be looming of people having false projects. Well, with us, you have no ability to have a false project, because if you post something and it sells, it's quality. If it doesn't sell, it has zero quality. And so we're solving many issues at once. We're injecting the economy with innovation, so therefore we're increasing job growth. We're doing all the things naturally and organically that the government is trying to do by stimulating the economy.
Very awesome. Thanks for talking to us.
Absolutely, thank you.
All right, guys, that's about all the time that we have for now, but I know that Mike Butcher's going to be hitting you and maybe even John Biggs, so thanks for watching and stay tuned.